Well, if Caesars is going to do a merger, we may as well go ahead and see what their app looks like. Hey guys, it's Vegas here. So today I wanted to go ahead and tackle the Caesars casino slots over here. I'm going to go ahead and sign in with my Facebook right now, and then we're going to take a good look at everything. Alright, looks like we're loading in finally. And here we are in the Caesars Casino. So I got a $25,000 bonus just for signing in. That's pretty neat. And then let's see how we're doing over here. So it looks like we got boost. Wow, they got a lot of stuff going on in the menu over here. Let's look at some of the stuff here. Playtika rewards. Okay, so I guess you do get your in-game benefits just got a whole lot better here. 20 free status points as a welcome gift. Okay, next. So your current status is used to determine your in-game benefits. So status points have been earned, blah, blah, blah. Your progression towards next benefits. Okay, so let me see my exclusive benefits here. As a bronze civil player, I get 1 times the status points, free double XP for 6 minutes, improved gifts at 1,000 coin gifts, 5% legacy bonus, and a free gift 1 time a day. No live chat support. Share post gifts once. Alright, that's neat, I guess. I don't know what this means, though. I wonder if that's the loyalty points. You get loyalty points in this game? I don't know. I don't really know. So I'm looking at this, and right away, I'm going to try to go ahead and collect my express bonus, which is 1,000. So I pick that up every hour or so. Apparently have an inbox here. I don't seem to have any friends that play the game. Yeah, I don't have any friends that play this game. There's no one to send these gifts to. Let's see here. Looking at the leaderboard, and it looks like they have real people playing this game, whoever this may be. Although I'm not sure who takes profile pictures like these here. These are delightfully generic profile pictures. Nothing in the inbox. Challenges. Maybe challenges is how you play the game. And then you get little points. You get little Caesars points. Little Caesars points. Alright, so there's LP. I don't know what a big one. Get 1 big wins in any game. And then you get max spins. Spin 1 time on max bet. And then total spins. Earn 40,000 coins from spins in game. Okay, so it looks like the way you play the game is you play through these challenges here. And then you get Caesars coins here. And then loyalty points too. It says LP, so I'm guessing that means loyalty points. Let's start with alright, so the golden room, you can't do that yet. Looks like they have lots of games here. Let's just go ahead and start with ancient deities. So we'll go ahead and download that now. And let's kick into it.
Welcome to ancient deities.
Thank you, Zeus. Did you guys hear that? He was just sitting there like, welcome to ancient deities. Like I don't know, like an ancient Greek Mufasa or something like that. So collect different deities to fill the meter and open up your ancient chest. Neat. Okay, cool. So I guess we're going to go ahead. Let's see if we can beat that first challenge. I'm going to max bet right now. Alright. And let's do the spin. That didn't give me much of anything. Oh, look at that. So I got 2 status points and 500 points here. And I leveled up. And I can play Pink Panther. And I'm already down to 69,000 coins. So let's see. See what the minimum bet is here. Oh, wow. I already doubled my maximum bet. Let's just do 1,000 for a little while. I'm going to spend it a few times. Oh, okay. It gives you automatic spins straight off the bat. Let's see what happens here. Turn on to keep screen on during auto spin. Okay. Mission complete. Oh, I got another spin mission, so I got 2 more status points and 1,000. I don't seem to be getting any points here. They're loyalty points. I don't know. And I leveled up. I got 2 more status points. And then I got another game. I don't know what's going on here. Mission complete. I don't know what this mission... Man, it keeps stopping me to level up. War banner and giant skull, clay pot found. I guess I got some stuff. Artemis, Hermes, Hephaestus, Dionysus, Ares, Aphrodite, Athena, Apollo. Then you got the heavy hitters, Demeter, Poseidon, Hera, and Zeus. Okay. And these guys are, I guess they've taken some kind of liberties with how everybody's going to look on this one. Alright, that's fine. So, I don't know what the challenge is here. So let me go ahead and, yeah, I can turn the sound down. Let's go back to the lobby. And check the challenges here. So, total wins, max bet spins. Spend 1 time on max bet in any game. I did that, but I didn't get anything. Game spins. See, I want to see if I can get these over here to get the LP. So, let's find out what those LP are. It's going to stop me every 30 seconds to go ahead and tell me that I leveled up. This is annoying. I don't want to rate it right now. So it looks like if you bet anything. Okay, is this my first big win, or what is this? Caesar's Vault, your personal casino vault, current balance 519,072. Add more coins with every spin, 100% on the house. I don't know. Oh, do I get a vault now? Oh, I got a mission. I completed a mission here. I think. I don't know. I don't know what's going on. Oh, and I got free spins, I think. Cool, let's go back to the game. Alright, cool. Alright, it's pretty neat that I'm getting all this stuff, but I don't know what it accounts for. So I guess I got a divine win on that one. A godly win. And I keep getting points in this vault of coins over here. There seems to be a vault of some sort that I keep getting. I don't know why. I really don't know why. But I keep getting them. I got a bonus, so you get a bonus now. And there's a sale of some sort going on. And the thing is, I don't seem to have a clear progression system here. I don't know how well I'm doing at earning rewards. In fact, I haven't seen a single reward here for me to earn, but I want to see where those LPs go, or what the LPs are. I wonder if there's a way to... Oh, mission complete spin. That's another 300, I guess. I don't know how many missions we've won so far. We seem to be winning missions back to back to back. Alright, let me take a break and see what happened with these missions here. Yeah, let's go back to the... Let me go to about here. I'm going to figure this out. Let's check out the Playtika rewards. Is where you can earn status points to gain benefits by playing for fun games including Slotomania, Caesar Slots, WSOP, Bingo Rush, Vegas Downtown Slots, House of Fun. Okay. This doesn't say anything about the real rewards, though. Entitled to link your particular rewards to the Caesars Entertainment. To link your game account. Okay, so you can accumulating status points. Determined by your game history, blah, blah, blah. Benefits and gifts. Status is up. You can earn greater benefits. Oh, it doesn't look like you get rewards credits for playing the game here. Is that crazy? What is that? Why? Oh my god, that is so lame. No, that can't be right. That can't be right. Here, I'm going to close the browser here. We're going to go back to Caesar Slots. Okay. This is so weird. Wow. This is really boring. Well, if that's the case, then I think I'm totally just going to go ahead and ditch this game. Where do I click? Alright. But mainly because I don't particularly care for slots in the first place. Honestly, I know I say that to death here, but I legitimately don't enjoy playing slots. There's an absurd amount of games here. Yeah, keep screen on during auto spin notifications. Yeah, I don't see this game being interesting at all, just because it's a bunch of slots. But I guess then you just kind of play it for fun, without any possibility of winning anything, and then you can buy coins to continue playing for no descript reason. And if you buy coins, like eventually they are added to your total rewards, but you know, and then you get these Playtika bonus points here too, so that's a thing. I mean, the coins are overall cheaper than MyVegas, so that's also a thing too. I'm not sure how they relate, but yeah, because there's no real reason to, there doesn't seem to be a real reason to play here. I keep getting these bonuses, but I have no idea what the LP is. So, and I can't seem to access that or figure out where that goes. And without any reference to that, because I did get the free spin rounds already, and it did give me 600 coins as well as the LP and all that, but I did not. Yeah, there's just no bonus to this. I don't know, guys. I don't think this is a good game, so I'm gonna say no to Caesars Casino. Let's not play this, and I'm actually gonna sign out right now. So on that bombshell, Ace of Vegas is signing out. Happy spinning.